Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'd like to do is just kind of go over how are we going to simplify, or basically what does it need to know to be able to simplify complex number or imaginary numbers to a higher power. And basically what you really need to understand, for this is understanding, first of all, our imaginary unit, where I represents the square root of -1. And then basically knowing what the rest of them are. I squared is -1, I cubed is -I, and I to the fourth is equal to 1. So basically knowing all those units, as well as understanding that they're going to keep on repeating, right? Once we get to I to the fifth, the whole pattern starts repeating again. So understanding that is going to become very, very important when we're trying to simplify our powers to a higher or our imaginary units to a higher power. And the also thing is, doing it by division. And there's a couple ways that I show how to do this as far as rewriting our power to our imaginary unit to a higher power. One is kind of using our rules of exponents, but the next one is just simply taking whatever the power is and dividing it by 4 and using the remainder as the power for our imaginary number. So you have to know how to divide, and obviously you're going to have to know how to divide by 4 and then be able to determine what the remainder is, so therefore you can simplify. But those are basically really what you need to know. Know how to divide and know the rules of exponents, which I actually probably should add, rules of exponents, as well as knowing what I through I to the fourth power are. Thanks.